Hello guys, you're watching Insight into Ukraine, and today we record video for fans of Apple production. Recently they released a new line of products and we are here right now next to the official Apple shop. Let's go to figure out when these products will arrive to Ukraine. So we got some information, new products will arrive in October, but exact price we don't know for now. Usually you have to add $200–300 to original price. So now you know guys that your favorite brand is in Kyiv too, and it has everything. And one small tips for all travelers who come to Ukraine, our shop works even on weekends, which is different from countries in Europe. This Apple shop is located on the main street Khreshchatyk, inside of the Citrus store. Come here and enjoy your shopping.
Visit our website at insightintoUkraine.com. There you will find a lot of useful information about our country. We have also created some awesome options for you, such as choosing your guide by video.
You really want to discover Ukraine and Kyiv with me?
Click to choose the perfect travel guide to our beautiful Ukraine.